Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Namaskar, I am Omkar Poddar, studying in second year electrical diploma. That we are discussing about the Indian power sector. Let's we start. The topics of it: generation and distribution utility, Indian power scenario, long range transmission plans, development of national grid, load dispatch centers. The, the Indian sector generation, transmission and distribution utility. The electricity is a con, current subject. Development and management of this sector by both central and state government. Central sector generation utility, entity PTT, and second transmission utility, power grid, wheels power of central generation utility and interstate mega IPPC. State sector mostly vertically integrated example responsibility for generation and transmission and distribution of power within a state. Second, reform process are underway and many SEB CAB have been divided into three different corporations. Example, Genco, Transco and Disco. And third, there are a few private distribution agencies has bulk licensing, mainly CESE, BSESE, Tata Power, AECO, etc. Three levels for grid management system adopted mainly national to be evolved religionally and state. Implementation and operation of the national and regional LDNC and their modification there are a responsibility of the central transmission utility. Then we discussing about Indian power access scenario, inter-regional links existing. All the five regions are interconnected through inter-regional links. Inter-regional links. Indian transmission system presents that we HVDC have a state 1504 and central power grid 1632 and total 3136. That we the impact of it is very high. The power grid, the transmission organization, incorporated in 1989 and started operation on management basis. Example, August 1991. Second, notified has a central transmission utility CTU in December 1998 to discharge following functions: undertake interstate transmission of energy, planning and coordination, exercise supervision and control of interstate transmission including operation of RLDCS, direction, control and supervision of the function, construction, maintenance and operation of transmission licenses. Long range transmission plan. Long range transmission plan unveil disposition of energy resources, major hydro resources in NER and HR, coal reservoirs mostly in Bihar, Orissa, West Bengal. The cost of power transmission 1.1 centimeter kilowatt, lower than cost of fuel transportation. Some regions are on a longer self-sufficient. Major resources in S are exhausted. In NR, mainly hydro resources having long ghostage period. Unbalanced growth of different regions. Some regions are a surplus and some are a deficit. Optimization of generation capacity addition. Utilizing time diversity. Spinning a service optimization. Growth profile.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.